How to add Microsoft Copilot in WhatsApp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can integrate the AI assistant from Microsoft, which is going to be well known as Microsoft Copilot, into your WhatsApp app or your WhatsApp. So, in general, the process is going to be very easy. You're going to head over your WhatsApp. Either it is going to be in the desktop app or on the mobile phone. It is going to be the same. You're only going to add a contact, and that contact has a number. And of course, it is going to be the number of Microsoft Copilot. So here they have given it a number. You can get a link for inviting this specific contact to your list, or you can go ahead and put your number. In this video, I have here the contact number, which is going to be the Copilot number. This is the only Copilot number that you are going to find. So you can go ahead and head over Google. So you are going to type in Google, and then you're going to type in, for example, here Copilot in WhatsApp, for example. Then you're going to see the specific, as you can see, support. So we're going to see the number in here. So as you can see, I'm going to head over the Microsoft support. You can get this specific, as you can see, QR code, and this is the number. So if you're going to verify the number that I'm going to give you, it is going to be the same. 1 plus 1, 877 224 1042. This is it. So what are we going to do in here is going to copy that code and head over to our WhatsApp. Now we are going to add a new chat, and we're going to add a new contact. We're going to put the number, and you're going to see the logo of the Microsoft Copilot right away. The first name and the last name is going to be corrected automatically. So we are going to save it, and then we're going to type in for the chat of Copilot. For example, we're going to head over Copilot like this. We're going to open that, and as you can see, you are going to have your account. So what are we going to do is to start chatting with Copilot if you want, and then you are going to have your own. So for example, hi, I'm going to type in hi. It is normally getting to set up the, as you can see here, the chat. Hello, hi there, how are we going to so far? So you're going to be on WhatsApp phone, or your phone on WhatsApp, so you can go ahead and see some of the displayed messages or the more detailed messages. So you can go ahead and ask the Copilot about something. For example, since it is going to be an AI like ChatGPT, you're going to put it like here, what, or something like how is the weather? For example, I'm going to ask it, how is the weather today? So we're going to have it. It is going to respond or something like that. This message can be displayed here. Please open your WhatsApp on your phone. So it is going to be a question of having your WhatsApp opened into your phone, and then you're going to get some instant conversation added right away. So basically, that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.